Hi, how are you? It's Ching. We're going to the last part, how to improve your balance. So remember, there's 6 parts altogether. It's not easy. It's not doing one thing. One thing is like a lot of things, right? So if you want, I love to say this, if you want to make a croissant or Chinese dumplings, you just don't make dumpling. There's so many stages that goes into it. Then that really good croissant or dumpling, you will now arrive into many committed the practice, right, to get to somewhere. So we tend to look at the exercise like just one thing. Like I do this, tomorrow I'm great. It's not gonna happen. I'm sorry. But if you want to get better and you love to learn, you have the spirit of being a student, learning makes you happy, you will arrive no matter what you take on, okay? So remember the first part is the posture. You're gonna know your posture. Then we went through how to balance one leg straight with a knee bend. So we can get that leg and connect to the Mother Earth, because we are walking on the Mother Earth, we're not flying, right? So, and we also learn how to walk in place properly, so you can feel the toe ball heel, right? And so, engage the first responder was so important. And I think the part 5 last week, we're walking backwards. Why we do that? We have to know that one before we're going forward, okay? Because I want you to feel the body first. It's not something, see, you can't watch the croissant and say, I can make that tomorrow. You gotta find the recipe, you're gonna buy the ingredients, you're gonna learn how to, there are lots of, right? So same thing here. That's how I appreciate the body. I break it down for you, and I hope you like this, right? And learn. So once you learn all these steps, guess what? You can make that amazing croissant after a year, whatever. You're really good at it. Everybody say, hey, Mary's croissant is the best, right? Or some shops, bakeries croissant is the best. Because you can do that for the rest of your life because you know how. You have to learn how first. Then you keep improve. So who knows? You might create another amazing pastry someday. Just don't eat too many of them. Okay, so right here. So walking backwards, the purpose of walking backwards is to wake up, to challenge your sensation, especially the first responder, and also have you understand, you already try to improve the balance. By going inside, we keep going outside, we keep searching what's out there, but we don't remember this. So this is the meaningful movement, right? What the meaning is about. So now we're gonna go forward. So this video, 2 parts. I'm gonna do it here in my studio. Now I'm gonna go outside in my yard to really walk around and show you. So let's break down a little more. So first thing, proper posture. You're walking, you can feel toe ball heel. You feel the first responder, right? Engage, arms on the side, never walk like this. That's why we have the good posture first, thumbs pointing forward. Okay, you don't have to point thumb forward when you walk, just the idea. Okay, now I'm going to stop. So remember this, you push the back leg. The walking, the momentum is actually, right, this initiation of that walk is actually lean, first responder, push from the back leg. So again, here we go. Lean, push from the back leg and go forward. So I'm going to keep that slight lean so tiny you can't really see it, but you can feel the first responder. Guess what? So you did not just improve your cardiac health, your cardio, right, your heart health. You also did a lot of sit-ups, not knowing, okay? So the third part is what? Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, into the body, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So remember all that? Okay, I'm just gonna do a little bit short distance here, and we are going outside in the world. Okay, so you ready? So I'm getting ready, Ching, on your mark with 5 checkpoint. I'm going to lean and find my first response. That's the lean is about. So if you're not quite sure, just lean a little bit, okay? It's a quarter inch, like you can't even see I'm doing something, but you should be able to feel, because I feel too. Right here, I can see you. When I look at other people walking, I know they did right or wrong, especially my student. So from here, push, right? When you push, you just have to keep going forward. And you push, so I'm going forward. It's so much faster now, less effort, and no pounding. You see that? Now I'm going to my lower back. No wonder if you just wear the fib and go out for a walk because your doctor tell you so, they never teach you anything. It's okay because it's not their job. They're not the one learning all this, but they know what's good for you. So that's step one. Step one is the journey of getting better. But that journey involves learning and knowledge. If you just stay on the step one, you're not getting deep enough to learn what's behind it, right? Step one, sometimes that wishful thinking. It's fine. I love wishful thinking. Say, oh, I want to play piano. I'm going to pick up my piano again because I used to play a little bit, not great, and because I have so many other things to do. See, when I retire, I'm going to pick up my piano again. So you set a goal. Then when the time comes, you go right to it. Right now, there's so much going on, especially right now. If you have 3 kids, focus on the kids, focus the family life, focus what you need right now. But the most important thing, focus on your health, right? If you don't, the health is not there, you can take care of other people. Okay, so we're going outside, so I will see you out there. Okay, so I'm going to start. This is my yard. I'm going to start walking. I'm going to make one big loops. There's a little hill up, of course, then of course going to come down. So I'm turning sideways. Okay, I have my 5-track point all engaged. My arm going to swing opposite side. You're going to hear me counting. The first thing I will do is lean slightly forward and push. Right, one more time. I lean from my first responder and push from the back leg. You can do the other side too. Okay, with the reason the counting it will change your dominant leg. So ready? I'm gonna lean and start walking. So you have 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Inhale 2, 3. Exhale 5, 6, 7. Inhale 2. Exhale 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Inhale 2. Exhale 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 5, 6, 7. So up on the heels, so you can see we're leaning forward naturally because we need more power, right? Helping the legs. So first responder comes right in. And exhale 5, 6, 7. Going downhill 2. You can feel, right? Your body adjusts that leverage constantly. So the more you pay attention to your body, you actually learn more. Just naturally, right? So we go inhale 2, exhale 5, 6, 7, inhale. So I'm pushing from the back leg. Exhale 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, pushing from inhale 2, exhale 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, exhale 5. So my arm swings side to side naturally, color opposition. A lot of meaning in our bodies. Last figure 8, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, exhale 5. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 5. Inhale 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I don't need to walk for a long time, but that's what you do. You've done a little special. You can see that when you go up on the, very buggy, and go. So engage a little bit And when you're walking up, you can feel right away. When you go down, you might lean back slightly because, right, that's constant involved. That's why I love hiking too. So steps always different because it's not even. Well, keep practicing. A lot to think about. Little by little, your walking is going to be beautiful. People look at you. Don't worry about other people, first of all. And you feel good when you come back. Your lower back is not hurting. Your knees not pounding, right? Because you use that beautiful shock absorb of your feet. So thank you so much. Take good care. Summer, right? So do lots of outdoor summer, fall out there. Enjoy your walk. Take care. Bye-bye.